Hey guys, it's Michael. How's it going? I decided to put this video up on how to research employee compensation of a company you're looking to invest in. This is the quickest and easiest way that I've come to learn, so I just wanted to share it with anyone else out there. You can also match it up with the SEC filings that you can find on sec.gov or fintel.io. But there's also a website out there that does grab from that. It's salary.com. First, you're just going to want to enter in this URL. It is salary.com slash personal executive salaries. You're going to scroll down. It's going to give you the option to enter in the company that you're researching or the executive member. Today's example, we're just going to use Amazon, just a basic option. Unless you're already an Amazon investor, you're probably going to be surprised to see this compensation for Jeff Bezos. $81,000 base pay? Are you serious? So I Googled that. Actually, what's interesting is he's been paying himself $81,000 a year since 1998. After everything, you can see, that he's bringing in 1.6 million total compensation. Sometimes when I go to these websites, I'm like, okay, how reliable is this data? And that's why I do use Fintel. And we're just gonna match it up with the SEC filing. The proper SEC filing that we're gonna be looking at is the DEF 14A. It's a definitive proxy statement. Here I'm gonna highlight the one that we're supposed to look at so that we can see what the 2020 salary was for Jeff Bezos. A little shortcut, I'm sure you guys know. Just go to Edit, Find on your browser, and let's type in compensation table. Scroll to the bottom so we can find this table we're talking about. They put it into nice format for us to easily understand. And we'll see that $81,000 salary and the all other compensation that comes up to that 1.6 million that we saw on salary.com. So we know that they're accurate. Also, guys, I wanted to put this information in here. The form that we're looking for in order to get this information is Form DEF 14A. And this is a proxy statement that is filed within 120 days after the end of the company's fiscal year. So it could be different for the company that you're researching. So find out what the fiscal year start date is for your company, and then just kind of stay on that time frame. And within 120 days from that date, the company will release the Form DEF 14A that you want to keep an eye out for if you're interested in researching employee compensations. This is something that the stock shareholders do vote on every year at the annual meeting. So you're always going to be informed as an individual on what the management and the CEOs are getting, on what people are getting paid. Anyways,